Word.
What up?
What up, nigga?
It's the world's famous Fire Squad.
It's home team in the motherfucking house.
No question.
It's the world's famous
MOP.
Fire Squad.
It's home team in the motherfucking house.
No question.
It's the world's famous.
MOP.
Doing our thing, recruiting and saluting real niggas like Boo Bang. Billy Dance hard to notice when I mellow, making moves smoother than Jimmy Fingers and Goodfellow. Never gas to do what I have to do. Splashing you, blasting you, taking your stash from you. International bell ringer, ruckus bringer,
Downtown swinger.
exercising my index finger, saying what's up to them people that thought we desert them. Hardcore was raw, but we got more to hurt them. Fire Squad all up in your district.
Last album was
But
fast.
it's a miss, they bet they gon' get with this shit.
Who's in the house?
It's the last generation. Real ill niggas from the field you'll be facing. 96 flavor for your neighbor, how you like us now?
Buck up. It's the world famous
MOP.
Fire Squad.
It's on team in the motherfucking house.
No question.
It's the world's famous Fire
It's
Squad.
home team in the motherfucking house.
No question.
Bust it. Who stepped out the woodworks to give villains Vietnam flashbacks of doing all that hood dirt to
M.O.P.
Still banging. What's strange? Ain't nothing changed. Them bells still ringing. You wanna be drug dealing, fuck killing, whack rappers the foul. And plus that shit you talking down a barrel. Ask yourself, is you ready for action packed and getting blasted with your whole rib cage crashed in? I'm outspoken. Niggas' language is broken. Record labels need to stop that whack shit they be promoting. See me knowing me, G, I drop physical science. Let's leak the rap appliance to fuck up your whole alliance. This is the way we bring things. Check out how we swing things. MOP be having shit jumping way up in Sing Sing. A new star's born. It's the Teflon. I'ma blow up the east when we release the bomb. It's the
World's famous
MOP.
Fire
It's
Squad.
our team in the motherfucking